Hello, I just want to make this quick video to try and help people who have a savegame.dat file that would have been exported through the file system from an Xbox 360 and not usually exported through Minecraft itself. You would think, since this is all of the raw Minecraft data, that you'd be able to just throw it in a converter and convert it to a correct world using JE2B or other converters. However, it doesn't work, and I can show you that right now. Failed. The converter failed. So this is how I was able to fix it. Basically, these converters are wanting a different file type. As you could have seen earlier, it was called a bin. However, that's a different file that you would have had to export differently because it has Xbox 360 profile data linked to it. However, that's the type of file we need. So this is how I was able to basically recreate that bin file. We're going to want to go to a program called Velocity Xbox 360 File Manager. And we're basically going to create, I believe it's called a STFS package. So create package. Next, retail, live. We're going to scroll down, Xbox 360 title. Okay, this display name and title name are basically like the Xbox 360 profile name, so we can use that. However, we're going to need a title ID specifically for Minecraft. And that title ID number is actually right here. Five 4111F7. Next. Next. And here's where you're going to want to save it where you can access it later. So let's just put ours on our desktop with our profile file name. Save. Finish. Okay, now we've created a package. Basically your Xbox 360 data that you need. Okay, now we're going to right click, inject here. We're going to go to where our savegame.dat file is, and we're going to select that. Okay, you see how it added your raw Minecraft data into the profile package. Last thing we need to do is click rehash. Okay, and then we can close this out. Now that we have this, we can go back to our online converter, which is, I suggest you use the online converter because this is the only way that I've been able to successfully use the file type we just created. Okay, it's 360 to Java. Select archive, and you see it's not showing up here where a bin file would if we had that. However, click all files, go to the Xbox 360 dashboard, the file we just created with the program, open. And you can see that it's converting our Minecraft world through that file. So we can wait for this to be done. Okay, now we're back after it's converted. So we'll want to download the Xbox 360 dashboard zip. We can go back. You see it's a zipped file. What we can do from there is convert it from Java to Bedrock. And once this is finished, you'll have your original 360 Minecraft world converted from Java, which you could play the Java version, or you could play it in Bedrock, which is easier for everybody overall, I feel like. This is going to convert your savegame.dat file to a .mc world, which is compatible with the Bedrock edition, and it'll look basically like this. And it's a lot easier because you don't have to find the Java file or directory and then put your world there. You can just double click this and it'll open up Bedrock. I hope this helps somebody recover their old lost 360 world so they can reuse it or at least play it one more time. I'll show you the example of my world. So I already have it here. And you're back. I hope this helped everyone. Bye-bye.